Flight deputies witnessed 3 juveniles, later identified as Mario Bonilla, Keondrick Lang, and Malachi Daniels, steal an unlocked Maserati. Patrol deputies intercepted and attempted to stop the vehicle, however it accelerated to over 100 miles per hour. Deputies did not pursue the vehicle. The driver, Keondrick Lang, lost control of the vehicle in the area of 1024 62nd Avenue North, hit a curb, went airborne, and overturned. Responding deputies immediately rendered aid to the suspects. Bonilla was pronounced deceased at the scene. Daniels and Lang were transported to the hospital with critical injuries.
You copy D1, Bravo.
Alright, the car's moving now.
60 seconds.
They're driving across the grass, gonna come out to 62nd Ave.
62 and Warren Street for now.
Alright, they're eastbound, just past 25th Street. Alright, underneath the interstate, and car's blacked out.
Joel, I see it, try to find me.
Approaching 22nd Street.
Still blacked out?
Yeah, still blacked out. Eastbound, number 1 lane. Driving normal, coming up to 21st Street.
I don't think you're landing behind him.
Eagle, yeah, you're behind them.
He's like,
Alright, I've got it. I can call it. Eastbound 62nd, just passing 18th.
cruisers back off. Parallel it and get in front.
He's high rate. Man, he's still blacked out, passing 12th Street. I know we're on Bravo, so if we can get some of these. Oh, and he's going to lose it right here. He's crashing 62nd, and it's going to be just shy of 10th Street on the south side of the road.
Okay, get on. Get to the scene and everyone else. Set up a perimeter.
Eagle, no one's got out of the car. Should be 3 of them. Let's get FD rolling. Pretty bad crash.
When do you copy request, Rusty?